Alright, so a little update. We've been working on all fronts. On the marketing side, we had a meeting to kind of firm up our marketing strategy. On the programming side, I've been working on the programming. I'd say the programming is about over halfway done. In this video, I'd like to talk about the design. So I've been working on refining the GPA calculator design. We want this to be the best GPA calculator that's out there. And so let me show you some of the things that we're working on. Okay, so this is an early version of the GPA calculator. Kind of have prior GPA, so you'd be able to put in the amount of credits and your prior GPA, and then you put in your current GPA, and these are based on the classes that you've already put into grades. And then it gives you your GPA for this term and your overall GPA. I didn't particularly like the look of it, so I kept working on it. Here's the next one. It kind of moved the overall GPA up here because that's the most important. This is what they're really looking for. And then the prior GPA, then have target grades for this term. They can put in their target grades. But one thing with iPhone design is you really try to not have too many things on one screen, not have too many things going on. And I think this might be okay. I haven't tested it with users, but I've been working on another concept that kind of splits it up even more, because intuitively we want to, designers want to decrease the number of taps to get through things and get through functions, but a lot of times I've found that it's actually a lot easier to use if you break it up into more screens that have less on them and are very focused. So this screen, it's got a lot going on, it's not very focused. So here's the next version that I've been working on. This is the latest thing. I just here, okay. It's just really two things that you can tap: prior GPA and this term. So to change your prior GPA, you tap into it, and then you could change it. This term, the same thing. You just tap it, and then you've got your current GPA, your overall GPA after the current term, and it's very clear. Just no nonsense. And so if you click this term, zoom this, you've got a similar screen to the one before, one of the previous designs, where you've got your target grades, and you can change those, and the amount of credits each one is worth, and then your total for this term, and then how that affects your overall GPA. So I think that's the simpler way to do it, and the more easy to use way to do it. We'll obviously you have to do usability testing on these things.